The Battle of Marathon, fought in 490 BCE between the Athenians and their allies against the Persian Empire, is a legendary event in ancient Greek history. The Persians, under King Darius I, sought to expand their empire westward into Greece. The Athenians, led by the general Miltiades, marshaled their forces to defend against the Persian invasion. Despite being heavily outnumbered, the Athenians devised a brilliant strategy. Miltiades deployed his troops in a phalanx formation, with infantry in the center and weaker flanks protected by stronger forces. When the Persians landed at Marathon, the Athenians met them on the battlefield. In a surprising move, Miltiades ordered a swift charge against the Persian lines, catching them off guard and driving deep into their ranks. The Greek hoplites overwhelmed the Persians with their superior tactics and discipline. Despite the numerical disadvantage, the Athenians routed the Persian army. The Battle of Marathon was a pivotal moment in Greek history, marking a significant victory for the Greeks against the mighty Persian Empire. It demonstrated the effectiveness of Greek hoplite warfare and boosted Athenian morale. The battle also foreshadowed the later conflicts between Greece and Persia, shaping the course of Western history.